加自由的去穿脱。
When I stay more with my head in front of the party, he always feels blocked.
如果他的头在我面前的话，男士就会觉得很僵硬，被挡住了。
So he has two possibilities. He can't want to move the body away from you, or he needs to move you with the arms away from your way, or he just trying to stay with the full leg. So in this case, he's dropping his body weight.
如果女士的头在男士面前的话，男士就很难移动，所以男士就会想着把女士头给掰开来，再想一下。
For example, if we do natural turn and I'm standing on the left.
那右转不做一个例子。
Let's do version step. So in this case, partner has free space to move. Second option.
第二种选择，如果他在倒在面前的话，我就很困难移动了，我就掰开它再移动。对。 他对他表达这个意思，所以当女士头在左边，非常在自己左边的时候，男士前进的时候就是没有任何阻挡，没有任何阻碍的。如果女士头朝前面来了，男士就需要把头先移动开，再去移动，困难。
So this is the main reason why we always should pay attention to where our head really is.
所以就是为什么非常重要，女士一定要清楚自己的头，一定要在哪个部位，一定要非常清楚自己头要去哪个方向。
To feel the head is not so easy because we sometimes just don't feel where it is. And I give you some advice. Follow man's right hand. So every time you make let your head stick to partner's right hand.
其实找到我们自己的头，去 feeling 到自己的头，并不是一件容易的事情。在这里，我想给大家几个建议，给所有的女士。我们女士的头一定要去找到男士的右手的方向。男士的右手在哪里？你的头就要找到哪里。
Because man, he has quite big space in the upper part, and it's never connected too much with the right side. So right side is moving towards the right side of the lady, but the top is always moving on the outside circle.
因为男士他上身的框架通常会撑得很大，但你不要去找他的右侧，所有女士，因为他的右侧永远都是在向前或者向后，你要找到他的右手，他的右手一直是在做一个很大的一个包围的一个空间，所以女士的头一定要去找男士的右手的方向。
So it's important that the head also follow this outside circle. You would just stay on the spot and try to rotate. So I'm always following his hand, but if I follow it, for example, his right side, it will be like this. So my head is too much connected with the body, so again it will be heavy for the partner.
所以我感他常常会一直是在跟随着我的右手，这样我们就可以永远都做一个很大的外圆。他如果只是跟随我的右侧身体的话，这个圆就变小了。
Now, can you try also together in the couples? Stay between your legs, like we did now. Create position, stretch the neck, and just try to rotate. But we will stay always at first, and try to feel that you are with the right side together with the right side of the partner, but yet always following the hand.
所以我们可以跟舞伴一起尝试一下，女士